So one of the interesting translational projects in the lab right now is trying to understand links between obesity and cancer. The NCI, the National Cancer Institute, has basically put this as a priority area for research. About 2 years ago, we first reported on a very exciting study where we showed that there was a link between elevated cholesterol and increased risk of breast cancer. In the interim 2 years, what we've actually understood, we understand exactly the pathway by which cholesterol impacts cancer. And as of 2 weeks ago, we just opened a clinical trial, taking the insight from that basic research and translating it directly into the clinic. The specific questions we're trying to really ask now is, how does lowering cholesterol in a patient with breast cancer impact her response to standard therapies? What we believe, okay, is that we may be able to develop very, very shortly a clinical test that will help doctors to adjust the dose of endocrine therapy like tamoxifen or an aromatase inhibitor based upon the cholesterol levels in a patient. Again, this was discoveries that we only published the very, very first basic science paper about 18 months ago, and the clinical trial opened immediately. Again, what we did was we went back and forth between the clinic and the basic researcher, and within 18 months got a clinical trial. That to me is what translational research is all about.